Hey guys, it's Stephanie here from Oh You're Lovely. Now sometimes when you get your sola wood flowers, they're going to come a little squished. It just happens, it is what it is. But today's tutorial is going to show you how to reshape these flowers so stinking easy. And all you need is water and a little bit of time. That's it. So let's just jump in. All you need to shape your flowers is a little bit of tap water and your flowers. Sometimes the sola flowers do come a little bit squished, and with just a little bit of water, look what they can turn into. You can reshape them really easily. So you're just going to saturate the flower with a little bit of room temperature water. It doesn't need to be cold or hot. It's usually just room temperature is what I use. And then once it's wet, I'm going to gently just pull apart all of the petals until I get it to the shape that I want and I'm happy with it. Once the shape is where I want it to be, I'm just going to set it aside and I'm going to let it dry for the next 24 hours. Okay, let's do this one more time. This time I'm going to be using the poppy flower, which I like this flower because you can reshape the petals and it changes the entire look of the flower, which I think is pretty cool. So again, we're just putting it in the water, getting the petals nice and wet and reshaping them, setting them aside, let them dry for about 24 hours is usually what it takes. And then you're ready to stem them and use them in your assortments. And you just rinse and repeat over and over again, shaping all of the flowers that you want. See? Shaping that so pretty to super cute. You can also shape these while you're dyeing them. To check out all 60 plus different style sola wood flowers we have, go to ohyourlovely.com where we ship in 1 to 2 business days. Until next time, you guys, this is Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, and you, my friends, are absolutely lovely. Bye guys.